Enable, disable the beep. This enables or disables the beep emitted by the machine each time the buttons are pressed or an accessory is inserted, removed. The beep is active by default. To disable or re-enable the beep, proceed as follows. Press the menu button to enter the menu. Turn the selection dial until beep is displayed. Press the hot water delivery button. Disable or enable is displayed. Press the hot water delivery button to enable or disable the beep. Activation of the beep is indicated by an asterisk below the beep item in the menu. Press the rinse button to exit the menu.